Ano yung dalawang trabaho ng pulis?
Serve and protect, sir.
Moto yun. Moto. Hindi yun ang trabaho natin. Anong dalawang trabaho ng pulis?
To maintain peace and order, sir.
Isa yun, pero hindi yun. Sige, part yun. Sige. Dalawa lang. Ang una yung trabaho is to prevent crime. Ang pangalawa yung trabaho is once you fail to prevent it, you solve it. Kaya nag-iimbestiga tayo. So, yung patrolling mo, yung pag-arrest mo ng mga wanted person, yung pag-checkpoint, oplansita, search warrant, bypass, everything, these are crime prevention. We are preventing crime. Ngayon, if we fail, may nangyaring krimen due to some other factors, kulang tayo, or talagang naplano talaga na hindi natin kayang maiwasan, then the least that we could do is to solve it. So, dalawa lang yan. And serve and protect is motto natin yan. Malinaw na?
Yes, sir.
Oh.